Welcome to Consumer Flix, your trusted source for the latest drone news and reviews. Helicopter today, we're diving into the Autel Evo Lite Plus leaks, exploring its rumored features, upgrades, and why it could be a game-changer in the drone world. If you're excited about cutting-edge innovation and top-tier performance, this video is for you. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more drone leaks, reviews, and insights. Design and build quality. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus retains the sleek and foldable design of its predecessor, the Evo Lite, but introduces subtle refinements for better durability and portability. It is slightly lighter, making it more travel-friendly, while still maintaining a robust build for outdoor use. Compared to the Evo Lite, it offers a more ergonomic feel, ensuring ease of handling during deployment and transport. Camera and imaging capabilities. Equipped with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Evo Lite Plus offers a significant upgrade over the Evo Lite's smaller sensor. It captures stunning 6K video at 30 frames per second and 20MP stills, providing sharper details and better low-light performance. With an adjustable aperture ranging from f/2.8 to f/11, it offers enhanced creative control, surpassing the fixed aperture capabilities of its predecessor. Flight performance and battery life. The Evo Lite Plus features improved motors and an advanced flight system, delivering greater stability and precision, even in windy conditions. Its extended battery life of up to 40 minutes outperforms the Evo Lite, allowing for longer flights and more opportunities to capture perfect shots. The enhanced propulsion system also ensures quieter operation, making it less obtrusive during use. Intelligent flight features. Building on the smart features of the Evo Lite, the Lite Plus introduces advanced AI-powered tracking modes and improved subject recognition. These upgrades enable more accurate and dynamic shots, such as tracking fast-moving objects or executing complex automated flight paths. The addition of obstacle avoidance sensors in all directions makes flying safer and more beginner-friendly. Connectivity and remote control. The Evo Lite Plus integrates Autel's latest transmission technology, offering a longer range and more stable connection compared to the Evo Lite. The updated remote controller features a brighter, built-in display and improved ergonomics for a smoother user experience. These enhancements ensure seamless control and reliable performance, even in challenging environments. Value and suitability. The Autel Evo Lite Plus represents a significant step forward in both hardware and software compared to the Evo Lite, making it a strong contender in the mid-range drone market. Its superior imaging capabilities, longer flight time, and smarter features justify its premium price, appealing to professional photographers and content creators. While the Evo Lite remains a solid option for casual users, the Evo Lite Plus offers unmatched versatility and performance for those seeking a more advanced aerial platform. Low-light performance and night mode. The Evo Lite Plus excels in low-light conditions, thanks to its larger 1-inch sensor and advanced noise reduction technology. The inclusion of a dedicated night mode enhances detail and color accuracy during nighttime or dimly lit flights, outperforming the capabilities of the Evo Lite, which struggled in similar scenarios. Environmental adaptability and wind resistance. The Evo Lite Plus is designed to handle diverse environments, with improved wind resistance that ensures stable performance even in gusty conditions. Compared to the Evo Lite, it offers better reliability during flights in challenging weather, making it a more dependable choice for outdoor exploration and aerial photography. Low-light performance and HDR capability. The Autel Evo Lite Plus excels in low-light conditions thanks to its larger sensor and adjustable aperture. Its improved HDR technology enhances image quality by balancing highlights and shadows, delivering vibrant and detailed visuals even in challenging lighting scenarios. This marks a notable improvement over the Evo Lite's standard low-light performance. Eco-friendly innovations. The Evo Lite Plus incorporates energy-efficient components and a redesigned power system, reducing energy consumption during flights. Autel's commitment to sustainability is evident in its use of recyclable materials in the drone's packaging and construction, making it a more environmentally conscious choice than previous models. Low-light excellence and night photography. The Evo Lite Plus sets itself apart with its exceptional low-light performance, thanks to its larger sensor and moonlight algorithm. It captures crisp, detailed images and videos even in dim conditions, surpassing the capabilities of the Evo Lite. This makes it a standout choice for night photography and videography enthusiasts. Environmental adaptability and wind resistance. With improved wind resistance and enhanced stability features, the Evo Lite Plus is designed to perform reliably in diverse environmental conditions. It handles stronger winds better than the Evo Lite, making it ideal for outdoor shoots in challenging locations. Its adaptability ensures consistent performance across varying terrains and weather conditions. Enhanced color profiles and post-production flexibility. The Evo Lite Plus introduces advanced color profiles like log and HDR, offering greater dynamic range and more vibrant colors straight out of the camera. These features give users more flexibility in post-production, enabling professional-grade editing and grading, a notable improvement over the standard color options available in the Evo Lite. Improved portability and quick deployment. The Evo Lite Plus features a redesigned folding mechanism that makes it even faster and easier to set up compared to the Evo Lite. This improvement, coupled with its lightweight yet durable construction, enhances portability for creators on the go, ensuring they can capture stunning visuals with minimal preparation time. Advanced AI-assisted flight modes. The Evo Lite Plus introduces smarter flight modes, such as Active Track 5.0 and Dynamic Track, which enhance its ability to follow subjects with greater precision. These AI-driven features significantly improve tracking and cinematic shots, providing more advanced automation compared to the Evo Lite's more basic tracking capabilities. Customizable flight settings for professional use. The Evo Lite Plus offers more customizable flight settings, allowing users to fine-tune parameters such as speed, altitude, and gimbal control. This level of customization makes it a more professional-grade tool for filmmakers and content creators, offering greater control over every aspect of the flight compared to the standard settings on the Evo Lite. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Autel Evo Lite Plus is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the Evo Lite, offering enhanced features across the board. With its larger 1-inch sensor, improved low-light performance, and longer battery life, it provides superior image quality and flight stability. The addition of advanced AI-assisted flight modes, smarter subject tracking, and customizable flight settings makes it a versatile tool for both casual users and professional content creators. Its enhanced portability, improved connectivity, and upgraded remote controller further solidify the Evo Lite Plus as a top contender in the mid-range drone market, offering unmatched performance and flexibility for a wide range of applications. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, what do you think of the Autel Evo Lite Plus leaks? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates, reviews, and tech insights. See you in the next video.